a wonderful, wonderful moment for every Pakistani. As Prime Minister Imran Khan has came back after a beautiful and a successful winning speech, not only for Muslim Ummah but for all the humanitarian. Then how Imran Khan has speak on United Nations. It is an amazing that how he speak for the Kashmir, how he speak for climate change, and how he showed that what is Islam, the real meaning of Islam. So it is a way, and what about hijab and what. So I just want to talk about this issue as well, and that as you know, climate is changing. Globally, it is a global problem, especially in India and Pakistan. There is an issue of due to Kashmir, the nuclear war can any moment can be started. But the point is that due to climate change, this nuclear war or this armed force or any kind of weapons which will be used, it produce heat in the atmosphere, and this atmosphere will increase temperature radically, quite highly, in high frequency. To minimize this issue, we should be logically and by using diplomatic channels open from both India and Pakistan, so that India and Pakistan should jointly resolve this dispute of Kashmir, and according, and UN must be involved in this, as Prime Minister Imran Khan of Pakistan has rightly said in speaking in General Assembly in United Nations in New York. So we Pakistanis supported, and every human, even in India and every in Kashmir, every on this planet, we support this issue. So because when it is humanity, and the point which we need to know is that life is too short. If you see the deserts in Pakistan and India, a result of negligence of the our ancestors who not realize that climate change is happening, so they not overcome this issue, and due to this, a lot of deserts in Pakistan and India are there. So and globally as well. So at this moment, I just want to say that as to minimize this issue, it is important that armies should, and the nations, and all the United Nations should involve in this. That nuclear atomic war should not be happen, and no weapons should be used, and not any place the weapons. There will be zero weapon global. I want to make. I want that it will happen zero weapon planet, so that temperature should be resolved. There are some solutions which we need to do. And about hijab, about Muslims, I just want to say this, that if you go to the beach in Dubai, in Bangkok, and anywhere in Miami, and anywhere in the world, good thing in Germany, anywhere you want to go. The point was that in beach, if woman can wear simple clothes, no one say him anything. She can. It is a freedom of a woman to enjoy his life, enjoy the she want to go anywhere in the world, because as male is a dominant gender, female is not a dominant gender. But after Me Too and other sort of women empowerment happen in the US, the wave come to from west, it shifted now to east. So women are always treated here like a property, and they are being used as the male wants them, and the way male want to think, the female should think like that. So I just want to say, it is a time that women should be given equal chance. That if a woman want to go beach wearing a bikini or wearing a burqa, so it's her own choice. You cannot force anyone to wear anything, but she has to be a freedom to enjoy his time and beach, to play with water, or see the sun, or sunbath, take a sunbath, enjoy her time. So like the kids and we male enjoy the time, so it is important. And West should not give them a negative way to see the Muslim woman or any woman of any religion who want to wear full clothes, because it's around the thinking how one think. Because there are also, if you notice, there are few Muslim women who also wear bikini, but no one say, no one condemn, no one West condemn them, or no one even appreciate them. So it is a freedom of mind, freedom of choice. It should be, it's not being misjudged by anyone, because not be judgmental about what a woman want to wear, or what he want to choose for her. So even no government, no anyone can do this, because this is your personal body. What you want to choose to wear, you have to wear it, but it is not a spoiling point for the society as well. And the next thing I want to say, the behavior of the people. The behavior of the people should be like that they are must be positive. They should not be negative. There should be no negative negligence in our society, so that we can speak what we want to speak, what we want to say, what we want to interfere with anyone. No, if anyone marriage life is afraid, is spoiled by due to his certain conditions, it should not be highlighted. It should be seen with a positive, that due to certain circumstances this happened. So we should realize that life is too short. Everyone, and if someone has a best life, he should not be condemned, nor not complain to others that he is far superior to the others, because no one is superior, no one is inferior. It's all about your destiny, how God created you, and how in which way you are giving your test. You give answers to your God on the deeds you do with the humanity. If you do positive deeds, you get positive results, which in result give you heaven. And if you do a negative deeds, and which result negative to spread negativity in the society, you will go to the hell. That's a simple formula. This is a simple way. Even people judge you, people handle you. So my message for all the humanity is it is a time to awake. It is a time to work for the globally, and as a global citizens, we are all are global citizens. As when we think about this, we can work for the whole globally. The negativity, the negative evil elements from our heart should be dismissed. By the way, as much we work hard, as much as we feel the pain equally of our brothers and sisters as children of Adam and Eve. So we should realize this. We should work globally everywhere. We should work for the climate change. We should interfere. We should work. We should communicate well. We should communicate each other. Communicate the way we want to communicate, and respect each other. Respect other. Love the people who are less aged than you. It is important that young people should not be neglected, and old people should not be to give them respect. But if respected people try to kill you, try to degrade you, so they should be hammered. They should be give what they. And if small people, weak people try to fight with you, you have to give them also answer, because there is equally justice for both the people who want what they want and why they want. Yeah, it should be equally handled. There no be misjudges, misbehavior should be spoiled in anywhere, in offices, in with the women. What happened in by the universities, how women, male and female, will be spotted as a darkness. But women will be raped, women will be killed, women. It's all about the woman gender, which will be misused by the male society from the many thousands. But it is a time of a woman gender to equally participate, to work for their rights, and be activated. And we male are very strongly with you to that you got an equal chance. But one thing you women should remember, that if you misuse your equality, woman empowerment, against feminism, against humans against male gender or any other gender, it is a bad gesture you are giving. So be equal, be natural, be the way you want to be, so that our globally we live a positive life, and we respect each gender, and we move positively anywhere you want to go. We are with you, like you are with us from million billions of years. How this when this world was made, how when the human creature was sent by the God on this earth as Adam and Eve. We are all servant of nature. We are all brothers and sisters. By the way, we are working together. It is our test is our destiny. So this is my message. I love you all, guys. Best wishes for you. Be unite and be active. God bless you all.